Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to pin into the start menu on Windows 11. So the first thing you would like to do is just to go and open your PC that contains of course the Windows 11, or of course if you have the Windows 10 you can just go and install or upgrade into Windows 11 for free through just your settings. And of course you can even run the installation into the background of your PC, and in the meanwhile you can keep using your PC. Of course, once the download or the installation finish, you'll be notified to restart or to reboot your PC. And when you do that, you will actually find your Windows 11 ready to use, and of course you'll even have a recovery point if you want to go back into your Windows 10. But I guess you'll like Windows 11 because it's pretty decent. So as we said, we would like to put something on, or to pin something, nap or something like that, maybe file, I don't know, on your start menu. So the first thing is you would like just to go to the app or to the thing that you would like to pin. So let's, as an example, we are going to hit the Windows key on my keyboard, and now I'm just going to look for maybe Valorant. Why not? Just a game called Valorant. Now, if you want to pin it into the start menu, simply we can right click on it and click add this pin to start, and even you can pin it into the taskbar if you want. Of course, you'll even have those options here. Sorry, you'll even have this options here if you want to pin it into the start or into the taskbar through here. So of course, if you click on it, as you can see, pin to start. Now, if you click at the start menu, and as you can see, if you didn't find it, sorry. So if you didn't find it here, it seems like Valorant is opening. That was by mistake, but don't mind that. If you didn't find it here, you should just go down, and as you can see, you'll find it pinned, and you will be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.